Okay, this is the abridged version of how to do a color splash where we black and white everything and we leave only the color for the red balloons. So this is if you already know Photoshop and you just need a reminder. Okay, so you're going to be using Quick Mask, which is this guy here, to make a selection. A bunch of ways to make your selection, but the easiest is just to go with your either your Quick Selection tool or your Magic Wand. I'm going to go Magic Wand. I'm going to bump my tolerance up to 64. Okay, gets most of it. I'm going to go to Quick Mask, which is down here. Okay, I've already changed the color of my Quick Mask to blue because if it's red, it's too hard to tell the difference between the red balloon and the red mask. So I've changed it to blue by double-clicking this icon. Okay, and then I'm going to enter Quick Mask and using my brush tool with my brush set to a little bit smaller than my balloon size and my hardness slider set to 100. Okay, I'm going to zoom in with my magnifying glass, go to my brush tool, square bracket to make your brush smaller or bigger. And in fact, I'm going to do both of these, square bracket to make it bigger. Okay, selection's done. I click on Quick Mask to exit that mode, and I double click my magnifying glass to go back to 100%. If I add there's two ways to do this. I can go Adjustment, Black and White. It's going to change what's inside the selection, so I don't want that. I want to go Select, Inverse to select everything else, and I can go Image, Adjustments, Black and White, or better than that, I can go down to my adjustment layers, choose Black and White, whichever filter I decide I want. Okay, and I'm done. File, save as JPEG. Okay, give it a name. Hit save and make it 10 or 11 and upload to Flickr. There you go. That's the short version.